Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Elina from Barbie Fairytopia Mermaid inspired outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, let's get into it. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one, and you're going to color it with this light yellow color, and you're going to choose this mermaid tail, and you're going to color it with this pink color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this corset. Okay, and we're going to color it pink. Okay, here just make it pink for all of the selection, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Wait, let me just color them all pink. Okay, and you're going to make it glitter for all the selection. Okay guys, and my bad, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to open up the box from the Valentine's update, this one, and we're going to choose this item. And for the first selection, you're going to color it same with your skin tone color, and for the second selection, color it this pink. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the necklace area, which is right here, and then I'm going to choose this necklace. Okay, and I'm going to make it toggle to and color the second selection with this white color, and I'm just going to put on this necklace as well. Okay, and I'm going to go to the changing room or the dressing room. Okay, and then I'm going to put on, wait, I'm going to go to the currency item and put on this skirt, and we're going to choose this skirt only, and again we're going to make it same color. Okay, like this guys, and you're going to make it glitter as well. Okay, I'm gonna make it glitter like this. Okay, and I'm going to move to the VIP room because we need some items from there. I'm going to select this jellyfish skirt. Okay, and I'm going to color it with the same color, and I'm going to make it glitter as well. Okay guys, and then the last one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this earring. Okay, and sorry guys, I forgot something. I'm going to put on this chain just for the detail, and I'm just going to choose only chains. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Elina from Barbie Fairytopia Mermaid in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!